My name is Mick Whitlock. I'm president of Van Spices in Baltimore, Maryland. Van Spices is a spice manufacturer. We manufacture lots of different spices, about 350 different spices. We also make extracts, vanilla extract, almond extract, a lot of different flavors of extracts for bakers, for restaurants, and also for retail. Van Spices was founded in 1981 by Ann Wilder. She was a school teacher that was looking for some spice blends to make curries, and she became infatuated with different spices, and she started the business off on her kitchen table in Towson, Maryland. And we enjoy spices. Most of the people that work here love to cook. I certainly love to cook. I find it relaxing. And one of the things we've done at Van Spices is we've made it attractive to the consumer. We're known for the unusual. You can buy parsley anywhere at any store, but one thing that we've done is we've looked at the spice trade and where spices come from. We've discovered a lot of spices that you cannot find in the supermarket, which we've enabled our customers to carry. Things like Aleppo pepper, Marash pepper, Urfa chilies, truffle salt, Permente Espelette. There's a lot of different spices that we carry that our customers like to know that they can get. We do sell to lots of different restaurant chains, lots of large supermarkets like Whole Foods, Fairway Market. We're an agile company and we're able to cater to many needs, and there's many different types of customers that use Van Spices. We had a software program here that wasn't very transparent. It's very difficult to see what was going on in the company. We wanted something that we could see what was going on at that time. Especially with so many ingredients that we use, we need to be able to see immediately the impact of one order on our business and what that does to our supply chain. The other thing that we were looking for, we were moving issues with food safety, and we wanted to be able to trace a product all the way from our supplier all the way to our end user, and that was very, very important to us. We wanted something that was off the shelf, that we knew that we could use in all aspects of our business and know exactly what was going on in our company. And Syspro seemed to have the experience, they had the backing and the knowledge, and they had a really good reputation. So we decided to go with Syspro. It was an easy decision and a really good decision. One of the things that we weren't able to do before we had Syspro was we weren't able to identify, monitor, or measure what we were doing here easily. Also is that we weren't able to have a good workflow through here. We weren't able to group jobs together. There was no way of knowing how to run the production. And Syspro has enabled us to identify the products that are profitable and the products that are not as profitable, because we can look and see what is in the factory, what is going on in the factory, and what we need to do to streamline our production. And it's really streamlined our business. We use Syspro on a daily basis to monitor our inventory, enter orders, to get orders out the door. An order will come into us and we'll enter the order into Syspro. We'll create jobs for it. This creates immediate demand on our inventory. That allows our warehouse and logistics managers to look at Syspro, run a report, and decide what we need to order. And it keeps our products fresh. We don't have to overorder or underorder and disappoint people. We have a great organic line here at Van Spices, and it is separate from our regular spices. A lot of people are moving towards organics, and one of the things that we're able to do is make organic products competitive with regular products. There is not a lot of price difference between the two of them. The organic spice line is growing tremendously, and we're very pleased with it. And what we do with our organic line, we have an audit every year from Oregon Tilth, who comes in and they inspect our plant to make sure that we're complying with all the organic specifications. And one of the things that they do is they check to make sure that we're not selling regular spices as organic spices. They do this by making sure that what we sell organically is not more than what we purchased. So they're able to see that in Syspro. We keep our organics separate from regular products, and we have separate filling areas for the organic products and the whole organic procedure. I think one of the biggest benefits is you can see the improvement in the bottom line. If you look back over the last 3 years of using Syspro, you can see that we've had major savings, and a lot of those savings have gone to the bottom line of our company. And also the morale of the company has improved. All the employees, they like knowing that knowing the information and being able to go to a source and find the information easily. Since we've used Syspro, we've had about a 30% sales increase over the last 3.5 years. I think we can grow exponentially with Syspro. We've seen growth, we've added modules, we've added users, we've grown a lot using Syspro. It's been a fun project, and I think our owners and our investors are very pleased.